how big of a wing you want to have on your Urus. The car is already being scanned. We have literally the best content you could have ever wished for. Open the door for our first ever customer, for our first big customer, of course. We've done already a couple of small things, but this is a really big one. And you may remember this car from last year when we did a lap on my birthday and baked some nice steak. So how was your trip?
It was long, arduous, but glad to be here.
Welcome back.
And what, like 48 hours, 50 some odd hours. I went through 4 different airplanes and a couple thousand miles, starting from Cartagena, Colombia, Bogota, back to Cartagena, then to Amsterdam, Amsterdam to Birmingham, picked up the car, drove it to London, London to Paris, Paris to here.
I'm sure you can find out a lot more on Lamborghini's YouTube channel about this trip. But why are you here? How big of a wing you want to have on your Urus?
No wing, no wing, no wing. Bed, yes. Wing, no. I mean, the wing could be nice though. I have seen like those wings on some of the SVJs and whatnot, and they look really nice for standing, for barbecuing, for picnicking. But
write that down, write that down.
You need to have like little,
we can make it happen.
Yeah, provisions for a grill.
Yeah.
But no, my idea with this is to do some rad front and rear bumpers that are really fit for an off-road challenge.
So Lapo, what's the plan of attack?
Yeah, we need to talk about it because it can go multiple ways, and depending on how much you want to involve the car in transformation, we can take off the complete bumper and do a complete bumper replacement, or we can keep the bumper and add something on top of it.
So first steps, I guess, scanning the car, doing some sketches, and then see.
Yeah, we need to scan the car with the bumper on and without the bumper, so we can have the internal like structure and how it's the external volumes, and then go from there.
So the biggest things that I would say, just from whatever we do, is that it would be really nice to keep the infrared camera, keep all of this infrared, the lane
assist sensors.
Well, I guess that's the lane. This is the radar.
Yeah, for this ACC.
And keeping a camera somewhat up here and putting some sort of sensors here. That's like would be ideal. And then there's these side sensors that are in the plastic, which
challenging.
Yeah, but I think some sort of carbon. I don't know, something that the sensors can see through. Those are the things that we've got to contend with this platform, and obviously keeping it Lambo-esque, lightweight, sleek, but still durable and with a higher clearance. Because look, I don't even know where this happened.
Yeah. I think we have a good side.
Wait, I think that happened on the ring when you were driving. Let's play Misha.
It looks pretty new to me.
You know,
but it could be carousel. Who knows?
I have no idea actually where that came from. But anyway, it's going to be, probably replaced. So, yeah, the idea is there's these intercoolers, radiators, whatever you want to call them here, and those are so low. When you're looking at all of the Cayenne style off-road bumpers, you just have a much better approach angle if we move these up and create some cool whatever's in his head.
Yeah.
So let's defer to that.
Yeah.
Sounds good. All right, let's get to work.
Yeah.
Okay. Our first proper test of the lift, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
We have small diffusers here for the brakes.
Oh, how cute! Should we do proper brake cooling?
Do you see the side of the brakes?
Yeah.
That's the other thing, is I got to figure out a way to downsize the brakes to put smaller rims on for bigger sidewall off-road tires.
We can do that.
We can make you custom brakes as well, actually. Fast forward, and I had a shave, but most importantly, the car is inside and already being scanned by Lapo, and the Shining 3D FreeScan Combo HX in his hand. Yeah, and look at that. Oh, by the way, check out our lighting setup. We're like being all professional here. Content creators, all the content. Look at that, beautiful.
The plan is to scan the front bumper and the rear bumper, the rear and front fascia of the car, so we have a reference point on how the car starts from the factory. Then we take off the bumper, we take off the rear bumper and scan it again. So I have a reference for outside and for inside. So then I can design the bumpers for this cool guy.
And not only did I have a shave, but we also had the leg day. How are your legs?
They are flaming.
Nice.
I'm like struggling to walk today.
Yeah.
That was intense. And not only that, but when these guys say leg day, we're talking at midnight last night, squatting, just full workout. I mean, that was something else.
Yeah, that's basically, we want to say that Vulcan Alpha is not for everyone. We always do a customer assessment. If you can do proper squat, if your form is good, then we can work with you.
Did I pass the test?
I think you had the best form, to be honest.
Awesome.
Definitely.
Didn't lift the most weight, but had the best form.
That's more important. Form is more important than the amount of weight.
Okay.
Form over function? No. In the gym, yes, but not when it comes to cars, probably.
Yeah, I mean, I came here for the design, right?
Yes.
Because when I decided to go homeless and live in the back of the Lambo, I got rid of all my stuff, including the chainsaw. So I couldn't just chainsaw off the bumper. I got rid of my welder. I couldn't weld the thing. So, you know, we're here with all this fancy 3D scanning tech and the Ferrari engineer so that we can build something Lambo-esque.
Lambo-esque. Ex-Ferrari engineer building something Lambo-esque.
Yeah.
So fast forward to a bit later, the rear has also been scanned. As a matter of fact, Lapo is already inside and processing the mesh or whatever you want to call it. He's working hard, but this is something for later in the video because someone else is working very hard outside. As you may remember, last year on my birthday, we cooked the steak in the back of the Lamborghini, but now the steak is being cooked outside with our full-blown content creation kitchen. I don't even know what it is. It's like live cooking show here.
Yep, I am Camper Ramsay.
So what are you making? Oh my god.
So what I'm making here is an experiment.
All right.
What we have is we've got ground beef, onions, egg, and salt and olive oil. And I'm mashing all that together and making some hamburgers with onions infused inside.
Amazing. You're doing some mashing while Lapo is doing some mashing inside with some 3D mesh. All right, all the bad jokes aside, we have the food shot, we have Lamborghini, we have literally the best content you could have ever wished for. I guess fast forward to the finished food shot.
We have
all right.
We're gonna have to eat from the table.
Got some food.
Oh yeah, sausage.
German sausages.
And then also some burgers and all kinds of stuff and salad. And we have there some Lamborghini something happening. I don't know, Lapo can tell us more in the next video. He's too busy with making plates.
I'm hungry, guys.
Yeah, me too. So I think that's going to be it for today's video. It was quite a full and fulfilling. I'm just hungry. I don't want to make this outro anymore. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the upcoming video. We'll be taking off the bumpers. We'll be scanning stuff underneath the bumpers. The bumpers on the inside maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff. And maybe doing a bit more than that. But for now, nom nom nom, nom nom nom. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh no, you got a sausage attack.